This is smoothing. It's like super popular in Thailand now. อร่อยไหม
Sorry, keep it. Hello everyone, welcome to How to Peak at King Power Mahanakhon, where we take you on peak level adventures with us. My name is Sam Tyler. I'm from England. I've been in Thailand for 6 years now, and I'm here with...
สวัสดีค่ะชื่อ Joyce ค่ะอายุ25ค่ะ I am from the US and I ชอบประเทศไทยค่ะ
สวัสดีครับทุกคน My name is Steve. I have been in Thailand for 2 years now, 2 ปีแล้วนะครับ
So today we're taking you on a really cool adventure. We're doing a hop-on hop-off adventure, which means we're going down the river, seeing some of Bangkok's most iconic spots, including the King Power Mahanakhon, which is definitely a bucket list experience if you're coming here to Thailand.
So we have arrived here. What we're going to do now is actually get the ticket. So what I recommend, สวัสดีครับ is to get the Chao Phraya riverboat.
While we wait for the boat, we're gonna go check out an interesting place nearby.
I'm excited.
Should we?
Yeah,
Let's do it.
let's go.
Go!
Okay, we're at Pak Khlong Talad, which is like a popular flower market. There's fresh flower, dry flower, exotic flower, and they also have cute flower themed cafes where you can get a drink or take some pretty pictures. Are you guys interested?
For sure.
Let's go.
So we have arrived at Wang Lang Market, and this place is known to be very affordable. I set a challenge earlier for you guys, which is I'm gonna give you both 500 baht over here. We're gonna meet back here in 1 hour. Are you guys ready?
I'm down.
I am ready.
Let's go spend some money.
Alright.
This is being made right now. 500, okay, mate.
Okay, can you help me to find the shot?
500 for 3. Very good. Okay, I'm gonna get 3.
Gee, this is smoothing. It's like super popular in Thailand now. 150 and 200. Not bad, 200 baht for a shirt to make me look like my grandma.
Look good, guys? 300 baht, so that means I've got no more money. Time to go back. You know, guys, where we're heading next?
Tell us.
We're going to Wat Arun, which is one of the most iconic spots in Bangkok. So we're going to go along the river, and also Wat Arun's other name is called Temple of Dawn. Are you ready to see it?
Let's do it, yeah?
I'm ready. You know, a really trendy thing to do is to rent traditional Thai costume.
Sounds fun.
Wow.
And you can also get your makeup and your hair done.
I think I need that.
I think we should do it. Otherwise, our trip is not complete.
Let's give it a try.
Should we go?
Yeah.
You.
Let's go. Sawadee krab. That's all for Wat Arun. Now we're heading to our final destination of the day, which is King Power Mahanakhon, one of Bangkok's most famous landmarks, home to incredible street food, and not only that, one of the best sunset spots in Bangkok. You guys hungry?
I'm hungry a lot.
So what we're gonna do now is head over to Sathorn Pier by a boat. We're gonna head over to Sapan Taksin BTS to Chong Nong Si. Once we arrive, we can have a very short walk over to King Power Mahanakhon.
Alright, so as you guys may know, Pad Thai is one of the most iconic dishes here in Thailand. But this restaurant right next to us is called Pad Thai by Baloo, which is a little bit different because it's a Michelin spot. And the chef here is the first ever Thai chef to win a Michelin award. So let's go say hi. Hi, Chef Andy. Hi, amazing.
How are you?
Amazing, pleasure to meet you.
Right there.
I actually wanted to introduce your restaurant to my friends, so could you tell everyone a little bit about yourself?
Well, my name is Andy. I start cooking Thai food in actually year 2000, 1998. I started in New York City, and back to Thailand about 7 years ago.
So let's try it.
All right. So let me go back and cook, and we'll serve you when it's ready.
Let's go.
Have a seat, guys. Guys, food is ready.
Wow,
Right, so-
amazing.
Actually, they're all the same. Depends on who like which kind of meat. Right, the base is pad thai, and the specialty is the meat on top. Right, for example, this crispy pork. So basically, this pork itself, it's an Iberian pork from Spain, and we don't deep fry them. Majority of the people in Thailand deep fry. We don't deep fry. We actually bake them, we sauna them and bake them first. Let the heat and they fry it its own oil. That's why they stay crispy and super tender. The second one is this pork crackling. So what we do is we use pork oil to fry this. In order to get pork oil, we have to fry the fat itself. Here, you try the fat itself. And third, I would recommend you to try this. Right. So this is in Thai we call kho mu yang.
Oh yeah,
A lot of people understand
pork neck.
the grilled pork neck, and a lot of people think that it's the neck part, right? When you look at the pig itself, you see the neck part is right here, and that's the loin. Actually, it's not the neck. Kho mu yang is actually the jaw.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, the jaw, and the real kho mu yang, it must come with the fat because the jaw is a good fat. So it's like wagyu. Here, take the thing and dip it. So basically, one pig is only have 2 pieces. Right? And this is the best part of the pig itself. Another good one is the chicken itself. This chicken is lychee fed, so it's fed in Chiang Rai. Like it's really high altitude above sea level, so the air is really thin. So it's make the chicken move more. The flavor of the bones and the food that it takes make the flavors, the meat so tender.
Like more rich.
Yeah, try the chicken. Well, I'll let you enjoy your meal. Yeah, how was it?
Absolutely amazing.
Really,
Cool.
really good.
Wow.
Well, enjoy your meal, and I will see you again soon.
Thank you so much.
Cheers, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Alright guys, apart from Pad Thai, there are many other famous dishes that we need to try. So I think we should start with this one, which is fried spring rolls from a restaurant called Kruan Kruan. So let's dig in.
Let's go.
I'm just getting stuck in with my hands.
Wow, let's
Don't forget the sauce as well.
We didn't even cheers, guys. Wow.
Cheers.
Oh
wow.
Ah.
Oh, it's so good. So crunchy. Which one should we try next?
This one. So this is a salad with fried pork and mince. Should we try it?
Let's go for it.
Let's go.
Dig in.
We're waiting.
Cheers, Changel. Oh wow. Wow.
Okay, let's eat the desserts. This one is the strawberry crepe. It's called Strawberry Lover from Harajuku Crepes.
Wow.
That looks so good. I love the presentation. You're so kind. Thank
Give me
you.
a bit of the cream, son.
Yeah. Should I go first?
Go for it.
Yeah.
อร่อยไหม
อร่อยมาก อร่อยที่สุด So good. Love fruity desserts. Wow.
Wow.
This is really good too. You should try it. Looks like some classic Thai dessert.
Right, cheers.
Over shaved
Cheers.
ice.
Over
Cheers.
shaved
So here on the 74th floor, you get a 360-degree view of Bangkok and beyond, and we're going up to the 78th floor next. Finally, we made it to the Mahanakhon Skywalk. Yes. And like I said, this is the best sunset spot in the whole of Bangkok. And this skywalk is actually 314 meters above the ground. And just look at these views. Simply incredible. So this, guys, is the most exciting part of the day. We're about to go on the largest glass tray in the whole of Southeast Asia. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's try. That is crazy. Look at that. You can see straight down.
Go jump.
Can we jump? Can we jump? Jump. Come on. 3, 2, 1. So this rooftop is very, very special because it's 360 degrees panoramic views of Bangkok, and you can even see the Chao Phraya River.
We're standing on the top deck of Bangkok's highest rooftop bar. It's called Sky Beach Bangkok.
And ladies and gentlemen, this is how to peak at King Power Mahanakhon.
Wow. Look at that.
Oh, perfect timing with the music, huh?
There we go.